Hello, class. So today's learning target is I can use drawings and equations to make sense of the words and problems. So let's think about this for a second and break down the learning target. I can use drawings and equations. What kind of drawings can help us solve math problems? Pause the video to think about it for a second. So we can use a number line, we can use 10 frames and bar models to help us solve problems. So let's try. Anulia has 18 more pictures than Alani. Anulia has 37 pictures. How many pictures does Alani have? Anulia has 18 more pictures than Alani. Anulia has 37 pictures. How many pictures does Alani have? Pause the video to read one more time. So what facts do we know about this problem? So we know that Anulia has 37 pictures. We know that she has 18 more pictures than Alani. And we need to find out how many pictures does Alani have. So what action plan are we going to use to solve this problem? So we're going to use a bar model today to solve this problem. So a bar model has 3 different parts. The total is on top and 2 parts are directly underneath it. And when you add those 2 parts together, it should equal up to the total on top. Yes, now it's time to solve this problem. So we know that Anulia has 37 pictures. So the 37 pictures is our total. And we know that she has 18 more than Alani, so that is our part. So how do we reach 37 if we start at 18? So let's think about that. How do we reach 37 if we start at 18? So if we're starting at 18 and we have to reach 37, I can use a number line to help me solve this problem. So if I'm starting at 18, I can jump 10 times. And if I jump 10 times, I'm going to reach 28. Perfect. So now we add 28. So how do I go from 28 to 37? So let me think about this and count. 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37. Yes, so that's 9. So I have to jump 9 more times in order to reach 37. So let's do that. Okay, so now we have 19 because 10 plus 9 is 19. So the 19 is going to go in my other part. So now we have to think, is my answer reasonable? Does my answer actually make sense? So let's check it. So now we have our equation on the side. An equation is 2 parts that are equal together. So we have 37 minus 18 is going to equal to 19. So in order for me to do that, I need to take away some tens. So I have 3 tens. I'm going to take away 1 10, which is going to give me 2. So now I have 2 tens. And now I have 17 ones. So 17 ones minus 8 is going to give me 9 ones. So I place my 9 ones down here. And then I have 2 tens. Take away 1 10 is going to give me 1 10, which is 19. Oh, so it's the same as here. So I think my answer is correct, but let me just double check. So I'm going to check my answer over here. So does 18 plus 19 equals 37? So 9 ones plus 8 ones is 17 ones. So I put my 7 down in the ones place, and then I'm going to add my 1 to the tens. So I have 110 plus 110 plus 110, which is going to give me 3 tens, which is 37. So my statement is going to be Alani has 19 pictures. I think we were able to actually check our answer and it's reasonable. So what did we do today? So today we learned that reading a problem more than once is really helpful. We need to gather the facts of a problem. We need to create an action plan of what we're going to do.